very, very young to be thrust into the limelight, given all this sponsorship. I don't know. I think there's definitely a thing with putting young athletes, really celebrating their success. And I understand that. I definitely think if someone's done something amazing, we should celebrate that. But I also think that it can be quite dangerous when you're still developing as an athlete, you're still learning a lot about the sport, and just finding your place in that world. I wasn't one of those people. I didn't sign a professional contract until I was 23. Yeah. That's when I signed my first contract, and actually I had a really great year that first year that I signed. So I went to the European 23s, under 23s, and then the year after I went to my first major championship at oh no, I tell a lie. 2 years later, I went to the World Championships in London. So that was like a really positive experience to me. I have I was with that brand for maybe 4 or 5 years before signing with my current sponsor, Hoka.